All right, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to increase your conversions using social proof. Okay, now social proof is one of those things that every business owner should be using. Okay, it's more important than your copy, it's more important than your design. And if you're monetizing your website and you want to get more leads and increase your conversions, I mean, social proof is increasing some people's conversions using these simple strategies up to 80%. Okay, so just think if you can get 80% opt-in rates on your web pages because of these simple strategies that I'm going to be teaching you today. Okay, so a lot of the time, social proof, if just think about if you are going on a trip and you're going to travel, um, more than likely you're checking out hotels and you go to the customer reviews to see um, what the customers are saying about that particular hotel. Did they give it 5 stars? Did they give it 2 stars? Did they give it 3 stars? Or just think about any other type of product like you buy on Amazon. Okay, before you buy that product, you go on to the customer reviews to see if that product would be worth you buying. Okay, so the same thing goes for your business as well. We want to be able to add that social proof to get people to give us their information and prove to them that it's worth their investment in their time. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to actually show you, all right, I want you to go over to developers.facebook.com. If you see up here in my tab, go to developers.facebook.com. Okay, and in this search, you can actually search for the like button configurator. So this part right here that you see right in blue, put that in the search. All right, and then you should be able to see this page that I'm on. All right, now what we want to do is actually take out this URL and put in our page URL from Facebook. All right, so we want to go over to our Facebook page. We want to copy the URL and then we want to paste it inside of the configurator. Okay, now you should see your information pop up here. All right, so all of this information, and now we want to select get code. Okay, we can do the layout of this, but I just normally leave it like this. Select get code. All right, now there's two things that we need to do. The first thing is we actually need to grab this step 2 script. Okay, so copy this script. All right, go back to your Clickfunnels account. Okay, I want you to go into the settings of the actual funnel that this social proof is actually going to be on. Okay, so I'm doing it in the BTR Academy affiliate marketing funnel. That's the funnel we've been working on. So I want you to go to the settings inside of that funnel. And then I want you to go in the head tracking code. Okay, right now my Facebook pixel code is already in here. If you have your Facebook pixel code in there already, that's fine. Just find right after your code ends, the Facebook pixel code ends, you want to paste that script right in here. So I already have it pasted in there. Okay, so paste yours in this head tracking code and then scroll down to the bottom and select save and update settings. Okay, so once we do that, we want to go back over to the Facebook developer page and grab this third step right here. So we want to grab this code right here. We want to copy that code. All right, now we want to go back to the first page of our funnel. All right, so this is the page that I'm actually going to put the code on. So the code that you just copied, all right, you can put on any of these other pages. Okay, I want it on the first page, so I'm going to put it on that page. I'm going to go inside the page. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this right before the get access button. All right, so I'm going to add an element. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says custom JavaScript HTML. I'm going to go to the settings of this. I'm going to open the code editor. And then what I'm going to do is paste that code that we just copied inside of this. Now, before you exit out of here, there's one thing that I want you to do. I'm going to give you a little snippet of code to help you actually center this on your page. All right, so what we want to do is a less than sign, and then we want to put the word center, and then we want to put the greater than sign. I think that's right. Greater than, less than, greater than. All right. And then what we want to do is click right here at the end of the script and do the same thing. So less than sign. Then we want to type in center, but this time we want to add a backslash and then put in the greater than sign. Okay. And now we can exit out of it. And then what we want to do is select save. Okay. So when we actually select preview, what's going to happen is that button is actually going to pop up right here. So you'll be able to see that 3.4 thousand other people like this particular page. All right. So this is a great way to get people to actually start to like your pages, and they can actually share this page with people that they are in network with, or they're on their Facebook account as well. Okay. Now that's the first thing that you can add to show some social proof. Okay. Now the second thing is we're actually going to have a pop-up come over here that's going to be in real time of actually people saying that they are opting into this particular course. Okay, I use a software. It's called Morevago. There's a lot of other softwares out there that you can use, social proof, other softwares, but I prefer Morevago. They give you a 14-day free trial. I'm going to leave a link below this video so you can sign up for your 14-day free trial. But this is something that I highly encourage you do, because this is going to help increase your conversions and your sales in your business. Okay, as you can see, these little pop-ups that pop up here as I'm talking to you, that's what we're going to have pop up on our website right here. Okay, so you can just start your 14-day free trial here. I'm going to leave the link right below this video. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log into my account. Okay, and then what I want to do is actually create a campaign for this particular website. Okay, so I'm going to name that campaign. I'm going to name it Affiliate Marketing Course. And domain, okay, this is actually the domain name that this pop-up is actually going to show up on. Okay, so this is the page, the first page of my funnel where I want it to show up at. All right, so I need to go to the actual real URL of this funnel. So I want to go out and I want to select this visit URL. Okay, that's going to give me the true URL of this page. Okay, so I want to copy that. I want to go back over to Morevago. I want to paste the domain name inside of there. Okay, now this sticky review interval, this is basically how long between each sticky, they call them stickies, the things that pop up. So how long do we want it to last? So I'm going to say 3 seconds. It's going to pop up for 3 seconds, and then the next one is going to come 3 seconds later. Okay. You can also do sticky reviews if you have people that have already opted into your landing page, or that have given you testimonials. What you can do is actually have these sticky cookies that are pre-written here. I'm going to choose the ones that are already there, or these will just show up in live time, like I said before. Okay, so I like it at the left bottom. I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, we can change the background colors of it if we want to here. I'm just going to leave it all the same. Okay, and then we want to just select save campaign. Okay, so campaign has been successfully saved. Okay, once we select OK, it's going to give us another code. Okay, So all we want to do is copy this code to the clipboard. Okay, we copy that code to the clipboard, and now what we want to do is go back to our Clickfunnels account. Okay, we want to go to the first page of our funnel because that's where we want this to show up. All right, so edit the page, go inside the editor. All right, now we want to go up to the top where it says settings, and we want to go to tracking code. Okay, now we want to paste. Once we paste it inside of the tracking code, we can click out of there. And what we want to do is make sure we go up to the top right and select save. Okay, we can hit the preview, but I'm going to go to the actual website that we put in. Okay, I'm going to refresh the page, and as you can see that our proof is coming up at the bottom left hand corner down here. Okay, so when people are actually opting in, okay, this is going to show us. Okay, so I would highly recommend that you try out Morevago. Like I said, if you already have some reviews, you can do some pre-written reviews where you can just add new reviews and you know, put in people's pictures, and this not really making up social proof, but if you already have people that's actually opted in and you want to add them to here, you can add sticky reviews. Okay, otherwise it's going to automatically load itself as it goes live, and it'll show people as they come to your page. Okay, so go to Morevago, check it out, start your 14-day free trial with Morevago. Add a campaign to your actual funnel. I would add it to the first page of your funnel, or if you're doing a membership site, your membership access page, things like that. This is just going to help you increase your conversions overall and help you get more people opting in and purchasing your products as they go through your funnel. All right. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value, make sure you hit that like button. Also, I'm going to leave the link for Morevago down below in the description of this video or in the button below if you're watching this inside of the course. All right. It's time to be the reason for your own success. I want to thank you guys for watching. Y'all take care.